Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you a customized box from FabFitFun. I partnered with them in today's video, and they are a subscription, so you can customize your own products if you want to be featured for the season. So today's box is spring. Products that I do feature in the box is usually from kitchenware, fashion items, makeup, skincare, you name it. They have a whole bunch of things that you can customize. It's just a fun way for you to actually get to know the product, see what you like. The boxes go, I think, from around $59. They actually only come out seasonally. So for this month, it's actually springtime. So I'm going to show you guys what I actually got in this box. You can use my code GeraldineJ.E to get 20% off your first box. So anyways, let's go on and get started. Okay, so this is the box. As you can see, it's a whole bunch of products in here. We're gonna go through them one by one, so that way I can show you. By the way, one of my lights actually just turned off, so I apologize if it's a little bit dark in here. By the way, they do have an annual membership as well as a seasonal membership. This is the first product that I did end up getting in my box, and it is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Drape Dry Shampoo. It's one of my favorite products that I actually really love. Next thing is the Aloe Glow System Magnesium Reset Spray. This one's actually one that I also did choose. You can definitely apply this in areas where you feel tension or fatigue. It's called an aromatherapy mist, and this is what it looks like. So you do get full size products also. I love that about this. So the next thing is another spray. This one's called the Airlight Volumizing Mousse. And this contains sugarcane extract for natural volume, texture, and shine. I love myself some volume hairsprays or anything that contains, like, it's gonna make my hair have a little bit of volume. I totally love. So I'm gonna try this next time I do my hair and maybe give you guys a little update. I did also receive the Muscle Relief Recovery Gel. This one is by African Botanics, and I remember I did choose this. I don't know if you guys have ever tried those patches that you can buy at CVS or Walmart. If you can put on your back or anywhere else where you feel like aches. Well, this literally is something similar to that. It has a very minty, very soothing type of smell. And I'm sure this is going to be one of my favorite products right now because, like I said, I really need something that's gonna like help relieve that little tension in my muscles after a workout. So the other thing that's in my box is the Tula Skincare 24/7 Moisture Intense. I haven't tried this at all, so I'm actually quite excited about this. But you can never get enough of moisturizer. So, and last but not least, my favorite part of this is this bag. I know I did say I wanted this bag to be incorporated into the box. You can literally just throw it on like this, and I just can't wait to wear this bag. It's super cute, has a really nice cute zipper and also another zipper inside, but super cute, giving me definitely Bottega Veneta vibe. Okay, so that was my little unboxing from FabFitFun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and go on to the rest of the video. I'll show you guys some of the products that I do put on my hair. This is a leave-in conditioner. And I only do a little bit of this, 3 sprays, and then I'll just run it through my ends, really where I usually need it. Anytime I use a 8-hour magic night serum. This is by Kerastase, and this is like their little serum that you can use at nighttime, so it gets nourished during the nighttime while you sleep. So this is what I like to use while I sleep at nighttime. It is one of my favorites. And you can see I've used quite a little bit of it. Okay, so the next product that I like to use is actually this by Truce. This is actually great to prevent frizziness on your hair while it dries. And this is what it looks like. You can also use it before you blow dry your hair, which I'm gonna just use. It gives it a lot of shine as well, which I really like. So I love this. I'll link it for you guys if you guys wanna use that. And it's been like literally working for me. I feel like my hair has become a little bit much more healthier and just more manageable. I'm gonna do my bed real quick because can't get the day started without making your bed. Come on, let's go downstairs. So this is my breakfast for today. I just have some potatoes, avocado, toast, eggs, and then some bacon. Okay, this is my hair air dried pretty much. It has a little bit of texture to it. I am actually going to do my makeup. I like to keep a little tray full of all the makeup products that I like to use on my vanity because I hate looking through the drawers. First thing I like to do is go in with my face primer. This is the Glow and Sculpt by Refi, and I love this because it has a little roller here. I don't know if you guys can see. So the roller is what's really nice and intriguing. So I really like the roller. It literally feels like you're doing a little bit of skincare in between doing your makeup as well. So my birthday is on Friday. I am turning 35 years old. And by the way, I'm using the Hourglass concealer in the shade Beach. Literally, I am 5 years away from being 40. That's the way I look at it. The more people that actually ask me when I'm gonna have kids, I know time is ticking, but like me and my fiance, we've been trying. It's like not easy for everybody. I literally have been not going to a lot of birthday parties and a lot of like get-togethers because it's come to a point where it's like I'm getting asked all the time, constantly, when I'm gonna have kids. But you know, when you're Spanish and you have your aunts that are just all the time asking, it just comes to a point where you're just kind of like, can you stop asking me? You know? And I know it comes from a good place. I just feel like it's one of those things where it gets really overwhelming. And you know, some people just don't understand the struggle. And like, I'm really not trying to be like a bitch, but I'm really just trying to like avoid it. And I feel like by not going to these get-togethers, I feel like I'm avoiding it. We do end up getting pregnant this year. We're just gonna have to postpone the wedding for 2026. So I really don't want to like stress myself on top of having a child. We've been together for like 12 plus years, and I feel like at this point it's like I feel like we're already married. We just want to have a little nice little like memory of all our families coming together and you know, getting married that way. I also was thinking about eloping. The reason why I didn't have them younger is because at that time, like, I was working, I was also a nurse, and I was just literally graduating. I didn't want to put a burden on myself to have kids and then struggle. You know, we all go through stuff, and we all have our little things that we go through when we're at a certain age. And you know, I feel like I'm in a good place in my life to have them. It's just been a struggle pretty much, and I'm not gonna like lie, I just feel like for a while I was scared to have them just because of how like life is right now and like how the world is going. It's kind of scary. I'm gonna go in with my Blue Setting Powder by Laura Mercier. And this right is going to be my birthday, so I literally just want to spend the time with my family and cousins, and I haven't seen them in a little while, so we're gonna have just like a little dinner. I think my camera cut off. I did go with the Fenty Beauty Caramel Cutie Sunstalker, and I just did my bronzer. But I use the same bronzer that I used on my cheeks. I use the same one, and I do put this on my crease as well. Okay, going back to the same one, I go in and contour my nose. I don't like to use the cream contour because I feel like it's a little bit too harsh. So I just go in with this, and that usually really helps. I'm gonna grab a palette like this, and I'm gonna take, I think I'm gonna take on between the brown and the black here, these two colors. I'm gonna mix it, and we're gonna do a little wing liner. I used to do like the liquid liners, but I kind of like just got tired of doing it like that, so I just grab a powder. I feel like it's a little bit less harsh, but have any mascaras that you guys recommend, because I don't have a lot of lashes to begin with. The one I'm currently using is the Big Bad Lash from Revlon. I actually got this on Marshall's. Mia actually has an appointment at 3 o'clock. My fiance is actually taking her to, if you don't know, my dog's name is Mia. She's a French bulldog. She hates getting her nails clipped, and we have to take her to the vet or to the groomers to get it clipped because she screams like bloody murder when we clip her nails, and I just do not want to nip her, and I've done that before, so it's really scary. So I just let the professionals handle it because I cannot deal with that. This one is by Tarte. It's called True Love, And I like to go in with a lot of blush, so I just go in really harsh with blush. I love blush, but if you do go a little bit too much, just grab a little beauty blender and just blend it. It'll literally just diffuse the color a little bit. I'm gonna go in with a lip liner. This one is in the color BFF. It is a great dupe for the color Court by MAC. So it's become one of my favorite liners right now at the moment. Okay, and then I go in with the MAC Viva Glam 2. This one is a little nice mauvey pink color. I go in with the Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. This one's super nice and it smells really good. One more thing, I'm almost forgetting, you guys, highlight. So I like this Fenty Beauty. This one I actually have for a while. It's the Kilowatts Freestyle Highlighter Duo in Mean Money and Hustle Baby. Do they still actually make this? Because I don't even know it. Because I really want to get the color Hustle Baby because that one's really nice. But I just go mix the two like this together, get a little fan brush, and just go over the cheeks. I'm actually really digging like this frizzy kind of like you just woke out of bed type of look, like really cute. And yeah, so I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on my hair. Going with the Truce. This is actually it's like an oil. This is going to just give a little bit of smoothness to my ends so it doesn't feel like super frizzy either. Like my hair, you guys, frizzes up so much, which is why I have to like use like oil. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready to do a little unboxing. But yeah, this is the makeup. All right, so they actually did end up clipping her nails and they did nip her. So I don't know what happened. Usually they're really good. So I don't know what happened. So I don't even know where. She won't let me like touch her paws, but she's okay. She's not like bleeding or anything, and she won't let me touch her. So she's kind of a little bit like not trusting of like me touching her paws. I think like she's just a little bit scared right now, but she's okay, and I don't even like see her bleeding or anything like that. So we're okay. I think next time when I do take her, if it does happen again, then I would have to probably not take her there again. But like I said, she's a very hard dog to clip. She's just very squeamish and she moves a lot, so I can understand what that might have happened. So anyways, I want to end the little blog here for today. I think it was just kind of like a chill chit chat. Make sure you check out FabFitFun for their subscription. I will have the links to FabFitFun down below in the description if you're interested in them. But either way, I'm gonna end the blog here. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'm gonna actually feed my dogs because it's literally their time to eat. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.